Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Hope you are doing well at home. I hope so. This quarantine will be over soon, and everyone would be go back to their work as well. Uh, by the way, everyone is facing this quarantine problem. There are so many problems as well, but one plus point I have observed that in these days we have enough time to spend with our loved ones. Do you know that I have observed that parents have enough time to analyze the problem of their childs. They have enough time to spend with them quality time and understand what is the problem, where are they lacking, what is the problem behind if they are not getting anything, what is the problem behind if they are not paying attention towards any subject. This is the ideal time. Then you can understand the problems of your children, problems of your parents. You can listen to them, you can give them quality time, and it is very fun that you are spending your time with your family. And I'm very happy with my family as well. So let's see that what topic we are going to discuss today. So as we know that, as I have told you that we were discussing about multiplication. So today's topic that I am going to share with you, that is a multiplication formal written method. Let me focus the camera. That's not okay. Now it's clear. Multiplication formal written method. How can we multiply what digit number with double digit numbers? How we are going to multiply? So let me tell you that I am going to make it more interesting and more fun oriented. You can say that it would be easy to understand how can we multiply single digit number with double digit number. Now I am going to write that this is the ones. Can you see that this is a double digit number? This is the 1, this is a 10. So this is the 1 and this is the 10. 1 and 10. Now this is 1 and 10. Now I'm going to write this number over here. How we are going to multiply? I'm going to write ones with green pencil, that it would be visible that ones means green color means ones. So ones under ones, when we are going to write, it is compulsory that you are understanding this thing, that we always write ones under ones. This is a single digit number, this is also a single digit number. So ones under ones. Now I am going to write tens. 10 will be in black color. This is 10. Okay, so we have written ones under ones, 10 under tens. There is no tens over here, so we are going to write here, and now we are going to place it a sign of multiplication, that is times. How many times we are going to multiply? But as you know that multiplication is also called repeated addition. So 3/4, it means that this number means that we are going to add 3 numbers at 4 times. We can do it 4 numbers at 3 times. That is a multiplication. When we are going to multiply the two numbers, these two are called factors. Let's learn the vocabulary as well with the help of this one video, that when we are going to solve the sums, that which type of vocabulary we have to use in maths. So when we are going to multiply two factors, then we got the product. The answer that we got, that is called product. What we call it? Product. Okay, I will write at a side that what we call it, the answers. Okay, now first of all, what we are going to do it, can you see that we will multiply the green with the green one? Can you see that 3 with the 4? I will multiply green with the green one. Okay, 3 4s are how many? 3 4s are 12. So I am going to write 12 at a side. Now there is a, if we get single digit number with multiplying, then I will write over here. But now I have got double digit number, so I am unable to write double digit number down. So what can I do with the double digit number? So 3 4s are 12. What number I got? 12. 2 with this one and tens with black. That would be understood to you that 1 means this is the 10 and this is the ones. So ones will come down once. Okay, and this one tens will go in tens. Okay, tens will adjust with tens. So first we have done that tens we will write upside of the tens, that is called carry. No my dear, we will not call it carry. Okay, this one will come down of 10, we are going to write down of 10 in the tens row, in the tens column, sorry. So 2 would become over here under 3 fours are 12, so 2 would become down of ones. Okay, now where go tens? Now what we will do with the tens? Now this one will come under the column. This column is belongs to ones and this column belongs to tens, so this one will join this 10. Okay, so now we are going to multiply. This 3 is going to multiplying with this 10. Now this 3 is going to multiply with 3. 3 twos are how many? 3 twos are 6. So 6 is a single digit number. 6 is a single digit number. So I am not going to write over 6 over there. I am not going to write 6 over there. I will write 6 over here, and this one 6 plus 6, this one plus 6 plus 1, it would be 7. So I am going to write here it would be 7. 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 1, this one I have added, then it would be 7. So this is the number. Now you can see that ones under ones, tens under tens. Okay, so these two are called factors. This is also called factor. That 24 times we can read it like this way. We can read it like this way, that 24 3 time. We can do it 324 time, then we will get the product 74. This is called product. What we called it? Product. This 72 we will call it product. Okay, and these 24 and 3 that are called factors. That are called factors. These are factors. Okay, these are called factors. So I hope this is clear to you, that how we are going to multiply with the formal written method. This is the formal written method that we are going to do when we have single digit number, how we are going to multiplying single digit number with the double digit number. I hope so that today's lesson is very much informative for you. It is in, if you are facing any problem, then you can ask me in the comment below. I hope you that you are doing very well at home. And one more thing, if you are facing any problem, then you can comment below. I will try to address your problem in my next video. Okay, I hope I am clear to you. So you have to give your practice, you have to do more and more practice about these sums. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.